Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to talk about a Pnut squirrel targets and updates with my custom set. Let's dive in. First of all, I have no idea how do people now complain about this token, why we dump it, how do people complain about the squirrel meme token. Oh, I lose the money in squirrel token. Guys, are you for real? Are you serious? So how do people blame the token but never blame their own illusion and own mistakes, what they repeat all the time? After listing, the people chase, I don't know, some crazy gains, some 10x, 50x from just a random Pnut meme token because of some posts, some influencer show you this token in the media because of hype, and you hop in at $2 in a squirrel token, meme token, and wait what? So 2 billion market capitalization, 2.5 billion market capitalization for the Pnut token just in a few days. People hop in at $2, screaming, we go into the moon. We go into 10 billion to 100 billion. Guys, the big difference between the billion and the million. And after that, we just dump it because the whales, the insiders, always use the centralized exchanges to distribute their bags. So what we can do with this new listings type on the Binance or other exchanges? Nothing. We can only control our actions to buy the token after listing or ignore it and buy only for speculation in zone of interest. So zone of interest, the same fee, the same levels on a BitGet. So the zone of interest for a Pnut was here. So listing, indentation, accumulation pump model, 6 cents and 5 cents is comfortable price to buy this asset, like speculation with potential gains, withdraw initial deposit at 13 and 14, leave free tokens, right with the free tokens even to new all-time high. Can Pnut hit new all-time high? Yes, of course it can. Absolutely. Why not? So the paper reached the 9 billion market capitalization. Why the Pnut can't? Of course, it's just rhetorical question. Take a look where we stop. So the fee absolutely relevant since this post here till penny we tested 18 low by fee, but above like support. So can we drop lower, like from this current prices? From this current price, can we drop the zone of interest to 0.5 low by fee minus 58% more? Yes. Why not? So around here at 66 cents, for example, at 61, people say, no, we can't drop a 250. Bam, we dump it 79%. So why we can't drop 50 now to sweep this liquidity, say 7 cents? I have no idea how the people blame the players, just blame the game. So it's just a game, it's the same story, guys. Nobody will make you reach here just to when somebody shield you the token. Exchanges list the tokens to use it like exit liquidity, the users, because they generate the fee from the trades. And for exchanges, much better list the Pnut token because it's a hype, it's a big community. The new users join the exchanges and start trading, generate the fee. So if I could be the owner of any centralized exchange, I will do the same. I could do the same because I need new users. I need to generate my project, my exchange generate me the fee, the profit. I don't care if I will list some tech project, but this project bring me the 10 new users and nobody care about this token, nobody trade it. I will never list this one. But if the users want to trade, want to gamble with a squirrel token, of course, let's go and list it. So that's the point, guys. Unfortunately, this is a game, and this is how the crypto market works. Unregulated crypto market. That's the point. So sooner or later, maybe we'll drop to the zone of interest, maybe not. So I'm not trading, I'm not speculating, I'm not buying the Pnut, But the good moment, guys, we can't drop further down. We can't. Just market move from one liquidity to another one. And sooner or later, anyway, we will bounce at least 50% of this downfall. So at least we can bounce to 58 cents. This one, fulfill of monthly gap. So in March, I will be not surprised if we will see something like this one. With a lower drop or from this current prices, for example, I will not surprise if we will see something like this one. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles up by end of May, for example, or June, and hit $2 again. So we can't know. Then, for example, or it can be this story, or it can be this story and drop in summer. So we can't know in the moment. That's why sooner or later, guys, when we build something like this order flow, at least we can bounce 50% of this this downtrend structure. So it's around 58.60 cents. It's a monthly favorable gap. Fulfill 95. It's a weekly favorable gap. This one. So it's more than real to see. With drop to 6 cents or without that drop from current prices, we can't know in a moment. Anyway, the logical move was out of that token and not hopping at $1, at $2, at even 50 cents. It's unlogical, guys. So I explained it to you before, and you can go and check the first video about a Pnut. At $1, everybody's screaming, oh, you're too late. Now the people complain about, oh, Pnut will lose money. But who cares, guys? It's only your mistake. I did also a lot of mistakes, but with attached projects, right? So like IOTA, for example. So we're in the same boat, but I trade invest in attached project, but people stuck in the Pnuts in a meme token. So absolutely the same story. So I a million times explained there is no difference between the attached project and the meme tokens. So all of that assets is just for speculation. So zone of interest I showed you. Let's hide the FIB and check what's going on now with whale's position for the Pnuts. I don't think so. This is the end of cycle for Pnuts, but be real with your targets. And if, for example, you want to accumulate now, be ready to see the 58% drop to next zone of interest. So build the average entry. So for example, it's 15. Then if token drop to 5, you buy it again, and you build the average entry like let's say 7. After 14 cents, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, sleep well. Pretty good safety strategy. Here, the best accumulate and build the awareness. So sooner or later, guys, the perfect entry I think will be at 6 cents if we will see these targets. Maybe not. I can't know. But whales build the awareness now. So here, this was main accumulation at the start. Main accumulation at 22, then dropped to 14. Now we dump it to 14, and would be good to see the one more drop to 8, let's say to 8, and after that bounce. With the awareness on a daily, it's a good one. No money, no direction, no signal on direction. Capitulation, total disbelief, capitulation, depression on a market mode. It's good. Weekly time frame, no data on ADZ direction because it's just a brand new token. Market mode, this is still area, so need to see some depression. But build a plan. So for example, here to $1 is going to be 500%. Don't be so greedy and fix some profit. After that, you can leave some tokens to new all-time high, just in theory, just in case. But guys, market oversaturated with memes. Too much meme tokens. Money power. Here, the whale step-by-step inflow the money into squirrel. For speculation, guys. For speculation. They don't care about these tokens. But they speculated. Here, the weekly time frame. And also take a look. Imagine from 2.5 billion market capitalization, the token dumped to 150. No, 1.8 billion on crypto ring, and we dump it to 1.8 billion. Imagine. I don't know why it's showing us the all-time high Pnuts on $1.80 if it was the $2.50. I don't know, some glitch. So anyway, it was over than 2 billion. 2 billion, yes. So 243. But why it's shown here like 1.8? I don't know. All right. Anyway. Now, what is good with this tokens? The all 100% tokens in circular supply. So it's good. There's no, no unlocks, no crazy seller pressure from the That's in Seattle. So it's only insiders. Only insiders can dump the price lower. So unfortunately, the money power, no data on money inflow on the weeklies. This was also the signal to fix a profit. Here, every side bearish divergence, it dropped. So no bullish signals, guys, now. But yes, anyway, I believe at least we will hit $1 again. So it's not a big deal. Maybe even the new all-time high. Trade on. Good one. So here it was a buy signal. One and only. At least here, it was a fixation of short. So we need to close all short positions. So here was a bounce like 35%. Need to see more signals. So step by step, yes, we'll trade and speculate with that token. No main signal to buy on the trade on weekly. Last indicator is take profit weekly. No data. Daily one. Take a look. Peanut's so underrated. Let's be real, so underrated. Because dump from $2.50 on a Binance to, it's on a bit yet, but anyway, on a Binance, it's the same story, to 94%, 93% down is pretty good one. So we trade under familiar value on the daily. Take profit line now on for Peanut, it's 90 cents. And exit line is $1. So once again, don't be so greedy. If they build a channel, right? Usually they build this type of channel, then bounce, trade some period here, for example, in summer, and then going higher. So this is a case, and this is like can be equilibrium, of the channel, something like this one. And maybe it's gonna be the $1.80 end of cycle for this token. Who knows? Maybe new all-time high. We can't know. But in theory, yes, they build. The market makers. They build with a soft one touch, second touch. Now we can bounce to equilibrium. Everybody starts draw, like a breaking out of trend line and all of that stuff. But after that, in summer, we're going down again. So just in case, guys, don't be trapped. Don't be trapped and fix some profit, at least with high risky assets. Just withdraw initial deposit. And after, if, for example, will not dump so low now, after 500% gains, take profit line, just fix the profit. Fix the profit. And leave free tokens. So guys, all targets, I explained to you the logic, I explained to you if you would like to trade. With my customer request, I what I showed in this video. Just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.